Daylight Time. At 9:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles southwest of Dixon to 5 miles west of Marietta, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ardmore, Maudeal, Marietta, Kingston, Dixon, Thackerville, Overbrook, Woodville, Lake Murray, Lebanon, Willis, Lake Texoma, and Lake Bride. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued